In the previous lecture, I have shown that some important questions related with the C programming Viva questions. Uh, Now, in this lecture, we will see some more C programming related Viva questions. So, our first question is, what is a string? So, basically, a string is sequence of characters, and it ends with this null characters. Like here, you can see the example character. This is data type, name. This is variable. And this is brackets, and within double quote we write this is our string. So string is sequence of character. These are sequence of character, and it will ends with null characters. Next question, you can see what is function. So functions are their block of code that perform a specific task and can be reused. So we can write functions. For example, if you want to add two number, you can make a function. This is user defined function. We have created the function with the name add, and we are passing two values, int a, int b, and we are returning their sum. And if both are integer, return type will be also integer. So functions are block of code that perform a specific task that can be reused. Reuse means if we want to add again two number, we need to just call it. We need to again call it. Whenever we want to add two number, we can call. Next question is, what is recursion? So recursion is a function that call itself is known as recursive functions. Like here you can see we have created a function with the fact name fact, and we are calculating the factorial, and we are calling this function from within the body of this function again. This is the simple factorial program. So function that call itself, we are calling the same function here. It is known as recursive function. Next question is difference between while and do while loop. So while, when we use while loop, condition is checked first. If condition is met, then loop is executed. While in do while loop, it executes once. After executing first time, condition is checked. So this is the difference between while and do while loop. Both are loop, but in while loop, condition checked first. If condition is true, then loop will be executed. While in do while loop, it executes once before checking the conditions. Next question is use of break. So it is used to exit a loop or switch immediately. Break is used to exit a loop or switch immediately. For example, here you can see we have for loop integer I equal to 1 and I less than equal to 5. Loop is from I equal to 1 and its value is incremented up to 5. If I equal to 3, break means it will come out of this loop. It will not go to I equal to 4. Next question is use of continue. So it skips the current loop iteration and goes to next. So same example, if I equal to 3, it will continue to the next. Now see, what is switch? So it is used to select one case out of many based on value. Here you can see example, like if we are having int equal to 2, so this is how we write the switch case. If day equal to 2, this value will pass, so this will match with this, so output will be printed as 2, and then it will come out of the loop. So if here it will be 1, it will print 1. means it will check case will be matched from this input value that is provided in the switch case. So the next question you can see, it is the what is the difference between plus plus I and I plus plus. This we have used in for loop. So here this is known as pre-incremental, increment first, while this is post incremental. Here use first, this is increment first and this is use first. Example you can see, like printf, we have taken a equal to 5 and we are printing plus plus a, so answer will be 6. First value will increment from 5, it will become 6. Now 6 value will be assigned here and 6 will be printed. So for both answer will be 6, and now a value will be incremented 7. For next, if you want to print again here, it will be 7. So this is post increment. You can see a was 5, now due to pre-increment its value becomes 6. Due to post increment its value is same. A value is 6, it is post increment, so value is 6. Next is structure. What is structure in C? So it is user defined data types, and it is used to store different data types of data together. Like we are having integer roll number, character name, we are having student details. We can create a new data type with struct keyword student. This will work as a new data type. So user structure is user defined data type used to store different type of data together. We are storing different types of data like integer, character, float, double, whatever we want we can store. Next question is union. So here you can see the example of union. It also stores different types of data in same memory location and only one member active at a time. Here you can see this is similar to the structure, but only one member will be active at a time. Integer x, float y. If x value will be stored, then there will be no y value. Means value location will be, memory location will be same. Like here you can see x and y occupy the same memory space. So if you writing to x overwrites y and writing to y overwrites x. So this was our second lecture related with the C Viva important questions, C Viva programming questions. Now we will see some more questions in our next part.